Leaving corporate job taught me the most uncomfortable truth about myself. Wala naman kayong pakialam kung ano yung uncomfortable truth na yun about me. But in your 30s, and you don't know where to go, sino bang sasandalan mo kung wala kang masasandalan? Walang magbabayad ng bills mo, walang magbibigay ng ipon para sa'yo, walang mag-shoulder ng medical expenses mo kung meron ka na, especially when you're approaching 30 or 30 na, tulad ng sabi nila. After leaving your job, specifically a corporate job you've done for so long, doon mo makikita kung may naitulong ka ba talaga sa mga tao at tutulungan ka nila pabalik. Dahil kung wala kang mapupuntahan, a network na pwedeng kausap mo about business, investors, kasi yan ang ikot ng mundo ngayon. If you want to go further at the top, you have to collaborate. If nandun ka pa rin sa point na hatakan pababa para makaangat, baka wala sa maling industriya ka pa. Try to leave a corporate job, but also figure out anong value ang gagawin mo outside the corporate job. Lahat tayo figuring out at 30. Baka 30 ka rin dyan. Pag-usapan natin ng mga issues kung paano ba natin masosolusyonan ang self-worth natin sa midlife crisis na to. Comment down below.